Hi there, in this video we are going to talk about the tools option in WordPress. Now let me be honest with you, if you are just starting out with WordPress, you don't need to worry about this tools option at all. Even many advanced users hardly ever use it. Let me quickly explain what you will find inside the tools section. Available tools. This section is mostly empty and it's not useful for beginners. You can skip this completely. Import. This is used if you want to bring content from another platform like Blogger or WordPress.com, but if you are starting fresh, you don't need this. Export. This helps you download your website content. It's only useful if you are moving your site or making a backup. Again, not needed right now. Site health. This shows the health of your website. It gives you tips like installing updates or adding security plugins. It's helpful but not something you need to check daily. Export personal data. If a visitor requests their data from your website, you can download and send it from here. But this is usually for big websites. Erase personal data. This deletes personal data from your site when someone requested. Again, only used in special cases like GDPR rules. Scheduled actions. This is a technical section that shows background tasks your site is doing. Beginners should not touch this at all. Just ignore it. If you are a complete beginner, you can completely skip the tools section for now. There is nothing important here for you at this stage. Even expert users don't come here often, only when they really need something. So don't waste your time here. Instead, focus on creating pages, posts, and designing your website.